I'm coming.
All right, we're in the Chilliwack River Valley. We're looking at doing some caving. We're here at the Chipmunk Caves. So if you're looking at trying to get out this way, this way is going east, and if you head to the correction facility, you've gone too far. So parking lot here, right after the straight, and off we go. Should be fun. So off we go. Let's go, bud. Come on, little man. You gonna carry that?
No, I'm carrying that.
It's the Jackson cam. Okay, careful. It turned off itself, see? There's no more. We'll go look for gold. There's a big puddle up there by Joshua. Oh, evidence of COVID right here. We got a rogue mask. Let's go find more puddles. This looks like this is an area where kids come and have fun. Whoa! Are you splashing all over? Do you hear that? Whoa! Sasquatch! Bigfoot! Did you hear Bigfoot? Did you hear him? Oh, it was just a motorcycle? We're not in the cave yet. Keep going. Whoa, careful, little man. Watch your footing. You don't want to flip and fall. Whoa, good jump. So after a short little hike, we got the river here. So beautiful. You hear that river just roaring behind. But then you have this beautiful drop, this gorgeous little pool here. And then this drop, look at that. So pretty. Hey, hey. Come out. The color of the water is so nice. These huge boulders. Love this place. Love this river. It's hard to tell maybe in the camera, but that drops 15 to 20 feet down there where the river goes around the corner. It's quite a big drop in the river. So we're following the trail down the river, looking for some caves. Chipmunk caves. Let's find some chipmunk caves. Chipmunk caves. Careful, watch your step. There's quite a few trees that are down.
And we don't have to do any bad things to go to.
What's going on? Where are we going? Where are we going?
Hey! You were beating us? Hey!
So here we are. Yep. We made it to the caves.
There's so many caves.
There's little caves
Big caves.
and bigger caves. All right, bud, let's go across. Just wait for me. Wait for me. We're gonna go right here. You're gonna go up there. right, now that you've been through Chipmunk Caves, would you recommend others to come here?
Yeah, it's very fun.
Except,
What did you like?
I like
Everything.
I like the part where I rock climbed with a rope.
It was fun. We climbed with a rope.
You went halfway.
Yonder.
Over yonder?
Yeah, but
Would you tell other people to come here?
yes. But there's one
What
other.
do you not like about it?
That the rock climbing place didn't go any further.
That you can't go
That
any
my
further?
hands are freezing.
And you're cold?
Yeah.